Hi everyone, I decided to do my screencast on an app I use in my classroom called Class Dojo. And if you're not familiar about it, it is a great tool to use, especially for classroom management and communication with your parents and students. And it's also a place for students to put artifacts or things that they work on. So there are things such as a portfolio. And another thing they use is it's kind of like a little mini Facebook for your class. So I'm going to log in, and when it logs you in, you have the school that you are a part of, which it tells you how many teachers are a part of this app, the classes that I have. So I'm going to click on the current class I have. So each student is first assigned to a little monster, but it's great that students are able to customize their monsters. They really enjoy that, and through that they're able to have a little creativity and fun. But how we use this app is that if I click on a student, so if I click on Dong, Dong can have positive feedback or needs work feedback. And so something positive, maybe he completed his homework. Yay, 5 points for Dong. He completed his homework. So it shows reflected that he earned 5 points and the whole class earned 5 points. Now, if let's say Dong needs work category, maybe he was not following directions. 1 point was taken away, and now he's down to 4 points. What I like about this tool is that parents are able to see the points that are reflected immediately. So if they download the app onto their devices, it notifies them of points that are being given and taken away. So it kind of just keeps parents in the loop of how their students are doing at school. And a great thing about this as well is that over here you see the messages. If I click on the messages, I'm able to send messages to all parents at the same time, or I can click on a specific parent and just kind of send them messages back and forth. And so the messages go straight to their device, just like a text message, and they're notified right away and are able to send a message back. So I like that. A lot of my parents love this app because of this feature. And then I also talked about portfolios where students can put down all of their artifacts or work that they've been doing. And that's something new to Class Dojo, so there's a waiting list for that. But for now, I use stories. And so it's like I said, it's like a Facebook for your class. So only those who have this app are able to view the stories that are posted. So I put pictures. I went to enjoy one of my students' baseball games just last week, in which he hit a home run. So that was exciting. I posted that on our class story. You can attach files, pictures, videos. We went on a roller skating trip, and the kids were ready for
1, 2, 3.
Third grade. So I got them all a little flashlight pacifier, I guess you call them, for them to enjoy on the last day of school. So parents are able to view the stories, pictures, and videos, add comments. It's great because the kids love to see parents interacting with their learning at school. What I also like is that it shows a report of the whole class this week, how many green points they earned, how many red points they earned. I use this as a class incentive. There's also a way to track attendance, so you can see throughout the year or throughout the week how they're doing. So it's a great tool to use. There's also a thing called Big Ideas, where they have videos of Mojo, who's the main character, about mindfulness, gratitude, growth mindset, perseverance, and empathy. And they are phenomenal videos that even I enjoy as an adult. So they're for my students to see. And I think Screencast, going back to what it's all about, I think it's a great tool for teachers to use, especially if they are planning to record videos of lessons or showing students how to download an app and how to do that on their iPads, how to navigate a website if they're planning to research different things, to just plan ahead. And that you can pre-record these things to show your students. So I think it's a great tool for teachers to use, as well as students when they're going through research activities or projects. I think it can be great for them to implement Screencast into their learning. So that's just a couple of things, and I hope you enjoyed listening to my Screencast.